Why can't I change my birthday on Snapchat? I'm gonna tease this process to you. First of all, if you cannot change your birthday on Snapchat, it is because you have overdone it. I'm gonna show it. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top left hand side, click on the gear or settings icon on the top right, and click your birthday. So go ahead and click on your birthday, and if you are not able to change your birthday, you can see that you can only change it for a limited number of times. You can just go ahead and scroll all the way down and find Help Center under Support and Feedback. After you do that, just go ahead and hit the search button and search for birthday. Then click on the second link over here, and you can see that the reasons of why you can't change your birthday is given over here. So if you are under 18 and you have set your birthday, you cannot change your birth year because of some privacy concern. So if you want to change your birthday, even if you have previously set it and the limited option has been shown, you can just go ahead and read this article and this might help you. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.